Hi students, welcome to new chapter of 10th English named From the Diary of a Young Girl, written by Anne Frank. Anne Frank was a little Jewish girl, and she was also a victim of Nazist Holocaust when they occupied Germany. She and her diary were discussed worldwide because she displayed in her diary the bitter experiences of Jewish people under the Nazist occupation and how these things affected their life. She was born in 12th June 1929 and she was passed away in February or March of 1945. This is an extract of her full diary in the name of From the Diary of a Young Girl, which we are going to study. So in this video we will just have a discussion on the brief summary of the chapter and the main points of the chapter, and later we will discuss the textual question answers and grammatical works in the class note. Okay, let's have a look. As I have told that Anne Frank was a little Jewish girl. She used to write a diary. In her diary, she gives sensational account of her life, and this chapter contains the first few pages of her diary. Means this chapter is not the full of her diary, but only an extract, the first few pages from her diary. And here she tells the reason why she decided to keep a diary, and she says that she had no one with whom she could share the feelings of her heart. So she decided to keep a diary in which she could pour out her innermost feelings. And first of all, she gives a brief account of her parents and her elder sister. Then she gives a funny picture of her days at school. She tells how she used to be very talkative. Her teacher tried to punish her by giving her extra homework, and he gave her an essay to write and wrote the essay in the form of a humorous verse, and the teacher was very pleased to read it. He allowed Anne to talk in his class later on. Okay, let's have a look into the main points of the chapter. In this chapter, Anne Frank tells about the early years of her life. She also describes why she decided to keep a diary, and she tells us the answer that she had no an intimate friend whom she can talk friendly and openly. This chapter contains the first few pages of her diary. Means it is not the full of her diary. As it told that Anne was born on 12th June 1929 in Frankfurt in Germany, and she had a sister who was 3 years older than her, named Margaret. In 1939, Anne's parents went to live in Holland. The two sisters kept living in Germany with their grandmother. Then they too went to live in Holland with their parents later. Anne started going to a nursery school in Holland, and when she was 6, she joined another school. Now Anne reached the 6th standard. Her new teacher was one Mrs. Kuperus. The two became deeply attached to each other. And in this lesson, Anne writes about her parents and elder sister. She says that her parents and her elder sister loved her. She had about 30 friends also. Yet she always felt herself lonely in this world, because Anne had no one with whom she could share the deepest feeling of her heart. So she decided to keep a diary as a friend. She called it Kitty. On Saturday, 20 June 1942, Anne made an entry in her diary. It was in the form of a letter to Kitty. In her letter, Anne tells Kitty about the students in her class. She tells how nervous the students felt at the time of annual results. She is describing there a funny moment of the eagerly waiting of the students for the result, and who will be kept back and who will be moved on to the next form, etc. Then she writes about her maths teacher, Mr. Keesing. This teacher would punish her for talking in the class. He would give her extra homework. Once Mr. Keesing, the maths teacher, asked her to write an essay on a chatterbox because she has been talking in the class. And later, the next day, he asked her to write another essay on the topic an incorrigible chatterbox. Incorrigible means incorrectable, whom we cannot correct at any cost. And Anne wrote an essay as an answer to her teacher, and the teacher liked Anne's essays, but he could not longer tolerate her habit of talking in the class. Now he gave her a very unusual essay to write, and the title of the essay was Quack, 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 said Mistress Chatterbox. Really, by giving this topic, the teacher had intended to play a joke on Anne Frank, but she wrote the essay in such a way that it became a joke on him, and all the students laughed in the class. That she wrote the essay in the form of verse. It told the story of a mother duck and a father swan. The father beat his 3 ducklings to death because they quacked too much. The father beat his children and they died because they were making noise. Clearly, the father swan was Mr. Keesing and the ducklings were the poor children in his class. Anyway, Anne Frank had an anxiety that how Mr. Keesing will take this essay. Luckily, Mr. Keesing took the joke the right way. He read the poem to several classes. Now he stopped giving Anne any extra homework. He allowed her to talk in the class. Now he himself also made jokes with the children. So these are the main contents of this chapter.